Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nagarajan Naya, your trusted tech realtor from the Bay Area. Most asked question for me during the real estate transaction is what are my closing costs? Let's understand what is closing first. Also, closing known as a settlement or escrow. Closing on a home sale is the legal transfer of a property from one owner to another, completing all of the steps necessary for the final contracts to be signed. Traditionally takes about a month, but in some cases closing can take place anywhere from 15 to 60 days. 15 days is more usually for the cash buyers. Closing costs are what the buyer and seller will pay as part of the escrow transaction. Some fees are negotiable between a seller and buyer as to who pays what. This is negotiated during your purchase agreement. These are the sample closing costs. The commission. The seller will have to pay commission fees to the real estate agents representing both the buyer and seller. And the second one is the property taxes. The seller is responsible for the payment of the property taxes until the last day of ownership. Homeowners insurance. This is a buyer responsible for purchasing a homeowner's policy prior to the close of escrow. Assessments and liens. Any assessments or liens on the property needs to be paid and are to be resolved before the close of escrow. Example includes like tax liens or judgments liens. These are the seller's responsibility. Title insurance. The financial responsibility of title insurance varies from county to county. In some areas the buyer is responsible and some areas the seller is responsible. Also, the buyer and seller may agree to pay like 50-50 split. Check more about this. There are two kinds of insurance. One is like lender's title insurance also, and another one is owner's title insurance. Lender's title insurance is most of the times is paid by the buyer. Owner's title insurance is split between a buyer and a seller. Like title insurance, the financial responsibility for escrow services varies from area to area. So check on the escrow services fees also. Property inspection fees, termite inspection, termite removal costs, these are all paid by the seller. This can be paid in during the escrow or like before the escrow also. Document preparation fees, deed recording charges, loan assumption fees. This are like basically loan assumption fees are basically paid by the buyer. Home warranty and utility adjustments. Now let's review the closing disclosure now to understand better what is this closing cost and how much does it cost. This document or like this closing disclosure, the loan amount is 1.195 million and interest rate is 4%. Monthly principal and interest rate is like 5,705. Total closing cost is like 17,247, which is a huge amount. Let's see the breakdown. Total loan cost is like 9,034 and origination charges were 0.125%, which is a $1,493. Processing cost is like $1,675. This is also high for me. Like typically lenders charges around $1,000. Appraisal and a credit report is like $734. Other charges including a lender's title insurance is coming down to $5,076.50. Taxes and other cost fees is like $2,499 and the city stamps tax deed is like $2,376, which is split between 50-50% based on an offer. County tax stamp deed is paid by seller, which is like $1,584. Prepaids including homeowners and prepaid interest is like $4,397. Owner's title insurance is like $1,317 and next is a real estate commission. Total closing cost buyer paid is like here like $17,247.55 and the seller paid is like $91,282.50, which includes the commission for both seller and buyer. One more thing, like if you check the initial disclosure, the closing cost was like just 100K as it was like just an estimate and maybe a loan officer added all the cost to a buyer. So don't get panicked whenever you see the initial disclosures. Here are some ways to save money on a closing cost when buying a house. If you're looking for a house that's within your budget but has higher than average closing cost, you can negotiate with the seller to reduce the cost or even get removed altogether. It all depends on how you write your offer. Sometimes you can put all your in a seller's bucket, like for example title insurance and other stuff. Seller may accept your offer if they feel like they'll still make enough money on the sale. If your credit score is below 700, ask if there are any interest rate reductions available at your bank or a credit union. This will reduce how much interest you pay over a time and help lower your monthly payments too. Yeah, one more thing to watch out is like the points. I think the points is typically in this file was like 0.125%, better to avoid. just apply for one mortgage offer right away. Shop around. You might be able to find a better deal somewhere else. Check out several banks in person before deciding which one will be the best for you financially. One way to save money on closing costs is by finding an agent who will work with the seller's agent to negotiate a lower fees. Your first step should be find an experienced agent like me who knows how to work with other agents and has experience negotiating with them. Closing costs are a lot like taxes. You know it's going to cost you, but you are not sure how much. I hope these guidelines will serve you well, and if you're a first-time buyer, watch this video. I give you 5 tips to make the most of your property purchase. If you watch this video till the end, please do like, share, and leave your comments below. It will encourage me to create many more helpful videos that will guide you in your home buying and home selling experience.